This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by danalaing. Rare find in a beautifully maintained community of Summit Ridge. This one-story 3-bed, 2-bath end unit has a fenced patio. No neighbors above you and has its own laundry room with washer and dryer included. Windows upgraded to double pane in 2017, air conditioner replaced in 2018, replumbed in 2017, roof in 2018. The kitchen features nice cabinets, granite countertops, a closet pantry, tile backsplash, tile floor, and an open window of sorts to the eating area, allowing for a more open feel. The main living space has laminate wood flooring, and room for a dining table. Inside the master suite, you will find a walk-in closet, ceiling fan, and upgraded master bath with a walk-in shower. The second bathroom has a tub/shower. Bedroom 2 is a nice size and located towards the back of the unit, as is the master bedroom. Bedroom 3 needs a door as a current owner used it as an office, is in the front of the unit and could easily be used as any type of flex space. Enjoy the beautiful Florida weather in the privacy of your own closed-in patio. The community features 3 large swimming pools and multiple tennis courts, clubhouse, and the low HOA includes water, sewer, garbage, and lawn maintenance. It is conveniently located near Somoran/436, Highway 17-92, Red Bug Road, Full Sail University, Rollins College, Altamont Mall, and multiple shopping and dining locations. No approval of buyer is needed by the condo association, and all condo docs are available at www.summitvillage.net. For more information, review the details below.